Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap here, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon, select if you want to take a photo or you just want to select one from the gallery. Then let's just select this photo. Here you can adjust it, how you want it to look like. And then just tap save copy. And then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.